Are you tired of files trapped in your personal OneDrive that your team can't access? You know the feeling. You've got that folder full of project files, but every time you need to share something, you're sending links or downloading and re-uploading. It's a mess. Here's exactly how to move them to a shared location, so everyone can finally collaborate without the headache. We'll select the folder, use the Move tool, pick a destination, and confirm. Let's go step by step. All right, so the first thing we need to do is open up OneDrive in your browser. Just head to onedrive.live.com. Now, find the folder that has all the files you want to share. This is the folder that's currently living in your personal space, and your team has been asking for access to. Go ahead and click on that folder once to select it. You don't need to open it, just click it so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected because the folder will have a check mark in a circle on the top left corner. This is a really important step because if you double-click it, you'll open the folder, and we don't want that right now. We just want to grab it and get ready to move it. So now that we've got that folder selected, let's look up at the toolbar at the top of the page. You're going to see a few different options. There's a button that says Share, there's one that says Copy Link, and there's one that says Move To. That's the one we want. Click on the Move To button. And here's the really important part. This button is your best friend when it comes to keeping everything organized and making sure your links don't break. When you move a file within OneDrive, all the sharing permissions and links stay intact. It's not like copying a file and pasting it somewhere new where you have to set everything up all over again. Moving it is clean and safe. All right, once you click Move To, a panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. This is where you choose where you want the folder to go. Now, you're going to see a list of your folders. You'll probably see My Files at the top, but we don't want to move it to another personal folder. We want a shared location. So you need to scroll down a bit until you see something that says Shared Libraries, or maybe a specific team name. If your organization uses Microsoft Teams or SharePoint, you'll see those team sites listed here. Go ahead and click on the arrow next to the shared library that you want to use. It might be something like Marketing Team or Project Alpha. Click that arrow to expand it and see the folders inside. Then browse to the exact folder where you want these files to live. Take your time here. You want to make sure you're putting it in the right place so your teammates can find it later. One common pitfall is accidentally dropping it into the root of a shared library instead of a subfolder. Just take a second to navigate to the right spot. Now that you've selected your destination folder, look at the bottom of that panel. You'll see a blue button that says Move Here. Click it. And that's it. OneDrive will start the process. Depending on how big the folder is, this might take a moment to process. You might see a little spinning icon for a few seconds. Just let it do its thing. You don't need to refresh the page or do anything else. And there you go. You've successfully moved your files from your personal OneDrive to a shared location. Now your whole team can access them, edit them, and collaborate without you having to send another email with a link attachment. I hope this guide made the process feel a lot less intimidating. If it helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials. See you in the next one.